Managing tool checkouts can be a hassle. Paperwork gets lost, tools go missing, and keeping track of who has what becomes a time-consuming burden. But now, there's a better way. Introducing Kiosk Mode on the ToolWorks tool management app. It's the self-checkout solution that simplifies tool management and puts you in control. Setting up Kiosk Mode is easy. Just enter a unique lock code to restrict access and prevent unauthorized use. This ensures only authorized personnel can check tools in and out. To check out tools, simply scan your employee badge. The app instantly recognizes you and pulls up your user profile. Next, scan the barcode of each tool you need. The app confirms each tool added to your checkout list, displaying its details and current status. Once you've scanned all your tools, review the list and tap Checkout. It's that easy. You're now ready to get to work without any paperwork or delays. Returning tools is just as simple. Scan your badge and the app guides you through the check-in process. For each tool, you can indicate its condition, OK, needing repair, or damaged. This ensures proper maintenance and accountability. Once all tools are scanned and their condition noted, tap Check In. The app confirms the successful return and updates the tool inventory in real time. Kiosk Mode offers a range of benefits: increased efficiency, eliminate paperwork, and save time with self-service checkouts. Improved accountability, always know who has which tool and when it's due back. Reduce tool loss, prevent tools from going missing with clear tracking and user identification. Enhanced productivity, get your team working faster with easy access to the tools they need. Simplify tool management and empower your team with Kiosk Mode. Get started with ToolWorks today.